Hi, and welcome back to another cooking extravaganza on Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you have joined us today. It's week 2 of all things plums. So, what do you think we're going to be making this week? Come on, I'm waiting for your answers. Well, we are going to be making a spicy plum sauce. Absolutely delicious. So, let's get cooking. Today's ingredients are plums, scotch bonnets, ground ginger, sugar, apple cider vinegar and soy sauce. We're going to be using 1 kilogram of plums, which we are going to cut in half and take out the seeds and place in a saucepan. Next, we're going to add the 2 scotch bonnets into the pan. To that, add half a teaspoon of ground ginger, then 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Next, we're going to add 500 grams of sugar and 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. On a medium to high heat, we're going to let those plums cook down and integrate with all of those spices until it's completely soft. With a hand whisk or a blender, we are going to blend all the ingredients together until they are completely smooth. We're going to put our spicy plum sauce into freshly sterilized jars, and then we're going to can them, as you can see, in the water, just to help them to be preserved for longer. Add a little bit of spice to your life with this spicy plum sauce. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe on Forever Vegan Inspo. Hope to see you again next week. Take care and God bless.